What an amazing area. Is Namba a zoo? Or an aquarium? Welcome to Namba, Osaka. Namba is an amazing place. Let's look at them in order. What can I find? This is an octopus. There is a big octopus. Another big octopus found here. This is takoyaki with octopus. Takoyaki here, too. I often look around. What's next? Next is a crab. There was a crab. If you look closely, your legs are moving. There are crabs here too. This one is a little smaller. What's next? Next is a dragon. Oh my god, it's on the building. Found another dragon. What's next? Next is kushikatsu. This looks delicious. I definitely want to eat it. This is the uncle of the kushikatsu shop. His face is amazing. What's next? There are many other things. There were cows. This is sushi. The sushi here is rotating. This is gyoza. What is this? If you look closely, it's Spider-Man. Why is he here? Where did he come from? Did he come out of USJ? Thank you for watching this video till the end. Please subscribe to this channel.